To show you and talk to you about this new alerts and notifications feature, let me hand it off to Vinay. Thank you.
Thanks, Murli. That was awesome. So hi everyone, my name is Vinay Mudgil, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about the newly introduced alerts and notification feature in the A360.27 version, which is being introduced for the first time in the platform. So with our alerts and notification framework, the users of the Automation Success platform can get notifications about various platform events, such as export of a bot or getting a new package version release in the product, and various other automation events as well. Now, as a user, how do you get notifications? There are two notifications channels which are available. The first one is the in-app notification channel, which is the default notification channel as well, in which you can log into the control room and you get notifications as per your existing RBAC, and you can see them in the notification panel. This is the default notification channel as well. The other notification channel is the email notification channel, wherein you need to explicitly opt in to the email notifications so that you get to receive all those notifications in your mailbox as well. From a management perspective, how does this help? So in this case, the control room administrator can go ahead and configure that for the entire organization, which email channels can be used, which categories of notifications, for example, platform related notifications or automation related notifications are applicable for your organization. So all of this is available for the administrator to go ahead and configure for the entire set of control room users. Let's take a look at the demo. So meet Marcus, who is a professional developer, and he wishes to export a bot. Right now, in the current scenario, he has to continuously look at the activity history to see if the exported bot file is already available or not for him to download. And if the exported bot file has more amount of packages and additional dependencies, it's going to take a lot of time. Whenever with the alerts and notification framework, as and when the file is available, he gets a notification that he can go ahead and download the file. Let's take a look. So Marcus logs in and navigates to the public repository and tries to export a bot. He picks up a bot which he wishes to export and then selects the dependencies as well as the packages he wishes to export. Now he gives a name to the export file and starts exporting the bot. As you can see that there is a notification which has been given to him that the export file process has started. As soon as this export file process is complete, he will get a notification with the red dot on the bell icon that, hey, the file is available for you to use. This has completed successfully. He can go ahead and download the file from the activity historical tab. So now he does not need to continuously monitor the activity historical tab. Additionally, Marcus can also manage the preferences which he wishes to use. So for example, if Marcus decides that, hey, for me, automation events are not relevant, he can go ahead and disable or turn them off at any given point of time. Similarly, the same capability is available for platform events as well. If he wishes that I do not want to get notified for a platform event for any given point in time, he can go ahead and turn them off. Similarly, if Marcus wants to receive the email reports of the notifications, he can simply turn it on and he can go ahead and get the reports. From a governance perspective, how does the alerts and notification framework helps the control room administrator? So meet Jake, who is the control room administrator. He navigates to the notification settings. And as you can see, all the notification events and the channels are turned on. Should he wish to turn something off, for example, if he wants that in this organization, we do not want to use email as a notification channel, he can simply turn it off. Additionally, Jake also has a capability to specify a RPA support team distribution list, wherein if in your organization you have a support team which is supporting or monitoring all the RPA related stuff, then all the events which get generated are sent to this email address as well. You can click on save and it gets saved automatically. So with the alerting and notification framework, it helps you to monitor your automation estate effectively.